Hi, I'm Damian Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on an easy version of Zombie by the Cranberries. So all you need here is four little chords to play. The first chord we're going to go on here is a power E. We're going to play with two fingers. And you see you got the rock and roll sign here. So I'm going to start with my middle finger on string 5, fret 2, and my third finger goes on string 4, fret 2. Okay, we're first going to have a look at all those chords here. So E5, E minor, E5. The second chord here, so look at the chord change here. I'm going to slide my middle finger here. We're going to play the C major 7 / E. So why /E? Because my lowest note I'm going to play is going to be the low E here. So middle finger on string 5, fret 3, my first finger on string 4, fret 2. And I'm going to try not to strum all the strings here, but you can go till string 2, for example. Okay. The next chord here, you're going to have a G. So you have this finger shape here, middle and first finger. You're going to move it up here one string each. So middle finger is going to be on string 6, fret 3, and first finger on string 5, fret 2. So we got our G here. So we're not playing the full G, but we're going to play it still till string 3. And then the last chord here, it's an easy version of D / F sharp. So you're going to move your middle finger here and place it on string 6, fret 2. And here you're going to be strumming on string 6 to 4. So I'm kind of blocking string 5 like this here. So you see that the key here is my middle finger. Minor, power E. I'm going to slide my middle finger here and go on C major 7 / E. Up, I move up here, G. And then I'm going to slide down here on fret 2, D / F sharp. So you got all the chords here. So now the rhythm here, we're going to be strumming down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're playing on 8 notes. Okay, second chord. Third chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth chord. And we put it all together. So once you manage to shift all the chords and play all that rhythm there's another little effect that you can play in this riff here. It's the muting notes with. So you're going to block the strings here with your left hand. You're not pressing on the strings, so. And I'm strumming down, up, down, up. So you can have fun playing this muting exercise here and going on to the E minor. Got it? One last little part in the song here to make you feel like a guitar hero. for this really easy tune here, and this could be your first solo to work on. It's more like a theme than a solo here. So we're going to go on string 1, fret 7. After go on fret 8, string 1. After we're going to go on string 1, fret 5. After we're going on string 1, fret 7, fret 3, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3 on string 2. And you can, for example, add that. You play your E. After you're going to play your C major 7 / E. And you come back to the chords. And you can have fun like that. So instead of playing the G here, you're going to play da-da. Instead of playing the G and the D / F sharp, you play that little melody here and go back to the chords. So you kind of have, by doing it on your own, you're playing with one guitar or 2 guitar parts. And that's pretty cool. Please don't forget to subscribe to my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. Keep on practicing the chords. Have a look at the other videos there. If you like the video, please like. That's really important for me. Have a good practice.